Hello friends, in this video I will explain you about Laravel views. Now what is a Laravel view? A view is a place where you put all your HTML code. Now where you will find views in Laravel, go to your project, resource, views. Here you will define all your views. Let's open one view. This is the HTML code for welcome page. Now let's access this welcome page. The route is already defined with login. Login. So this is a view. Now let's open another view. We have home and the route for this is home. Undefined variable name, $name. I have defined this. So this is my home view. The HTML for home view is this. Now let's create a view. Go to views. Let's create user view. User.blade.php. User.blade.php. Okay, in that define user view. Okay, now let's call this view from route. Go to route, define route, view, user. This is your URL. Now your view name is user. Now go here, type here user. So it is showing you user view. If you will type something here, like I will copy this, save, it will reflect in your view. Now let's call a view from a controller. We will make a new controller, PHP artisan make controller test controller 1. So our controller is created. Open this controller, type here public function show return view, here view name. So now let's define a route for this. Route view, I will put here let's say user view. This is my URL. Then controller name test controller 1, then class, then your function name show, semicolon. Now copy this URL, go here, type user view, class router not find. Oh, I have a mistake here. None of the view. Yeah, you have to define here test controller 1. Yeah, copy, paste, save. None of the view in the, okay, just go here, instead of view you have to put get. because now you're calling view from controller. That's why instead of view you have to put get. View you will put when you are directly calling a view from a route. Get you are putting when you are calling a view from a controller. Now let's pass a parameter to the view. Go to the route, define the parameter. I'll put ID here. Go to your controller, put $ID. Then here make a variable $name equal to $ID. Here pass your variable name in a compact function name. Go to the view, type here $name. Now here pass a parameter. I will type Tom. Here you have to put a semicolon. See, Tom is coming. If you will type another parameter, that one will display here. Hope you like this video. Thanks.